Let's simplify the given logarithmic expression. So we'll begin with our first term. So our first term is log of 21. So if we factorize 21, that will be log of 7 times 3 plus log of 4. Now we are going to apply a property here. The property is log of 5 squared. So what we have done here is if we have a times log of b, so that's the same as log of b raised to the power of a, minus log of 3 minus log of 7. Now we'll break down this logarithm into two parts, because where we have something of the form log of a times b, which is the same as log of a added to log of b. That means we have log of 7 plus log of 3. That's log of 7 times 3. Then we have log of 4 plus log of 5 squared. So 5 squared is 25 minus log of 3 minus log of 7. So here log 7 and negative log 7, log 3 and negative log 3 goes away. Now we are left with log of 4 plus log of 25, which we can apply this property to get log of 4 times 25. The log of 4 times 25 means we have log of 100. 100 means we have log of 10 squared. Using this property, we will get 2 times log of 10. And whenever the base is not provided, it's by default considered to be 10. And we are using a property that if we have log of a with the base a, then this value is always 1. So that means log of 10 with a base of 10. So then our value of a is 10. So that's equals to 1. So we have 2 times 1, which is equals to 2. So the simplified value of the given logarithmic expression is 2.